Hi everyone, my name is Sarah and I'm going to be your mentor for the course, An Introduction to the Archaeology of Architecture with Save Cultural Heritage Group. I have professional and academic experience going back nearly 10 years, and I graduated with my MSc in Archaeology from the University of Edinburgh in 2019. I have archaeological field experience on the island of Crete, as well as commercial experience in Ontario. I'm originally from Ontario, Canada, however I'm currently living in the United Kingdom. I chose architecture as the topic for this course, primarily because it was the focal point of both my honors thesis and my master's dissertation. However, I find the topic itself obviously very interesting and very integral to everyday life, especially when it comes to understanding issues such as conservation. The course itself is going to introduce archaeology as a discipline, with a discussion regarding chronology and context. And then I'm going to introduce what I call the 3 F's of looking at architecture in the archaeological record: form, function, and feeling. And then we're going to be taking these concepts and applying them to 3 specific case studies that span a good chunk of human history. We're going to be looking at megalithic temples on Malta, the Parthenon in Athens, and the Hagia Sophia in Istanbul. And then obviously I want to touch on modern issues such as tourism, pollution, religion, and how these all tie into conservation and architecture's role in all of this. I don't want you to feel intimidated by the content. Most of it is going to involve looking at your own built environment, your own home, and applying the concepts and case studies to that. So thank you very much. I can't wait to meet you all, and I can't wait to get started.